What's up guys, and welcome back. So you're looking at my new camera. I'm gonna try in this video to not show you this mess here and show you some third-person footage of this camera on the Accord. So I'm gonna try to put this thing on there and get it to film some cool third-person footage without falling off, which would be great. So if it falls off, it's probably gonna get screwed up. So I'm hoping that that's not the case. I'm gonna shuffle some cars around, move the Corvette in here too. So I'm gonna work on getting this camera set up. I'll show you guys what this thing's like. So this is the camera setup. I'm thinking I might need to come back further because this is sort of the view that I have here, which is like not bad, but it could be a little bit further away to get me a little bit further, and it makes the trunk look kind of long. So I think I need to get a little bit further away from it, and maybe that'll help. So I'm gonna try to mess with the length and see if I can get it to look like I like it, or look like I want it. This way it just looks backwards. I don't know how to, there's a way to switch it. You can like switch the cameras so it shows what camera's what, and then that's 360 mode. So it's pretty cool. Pretty sweet camera setup. So hopefully it gives us a cool third-person shot. I'm also gonna have to figure out the mic, and I'm gonna have to put some sort of dead cat on there because it's gonna get a lot of wind up there. So I'm gonna let me mess with this, and then we'll take it out and we'll see how it does. Pretty cool. So I hope this isn't too far, but we'll see. I'm gonna try to pull it outside and we'll get some footage. It might be a little bit high. I think I might put it a little bit lower. The problem is it's gonna be really floppy and it's gonna shake. So that's the thing. I gotta make sure it doesn't fail and fall down. I mean, I don't know, the camera probably won't fall off, but I think if I go in a little bit, I'm gonna figure out how to make these poles not rotate here, but maybe that's a little bit better. I just don't want it to be too floppy, and the more down you put it, the floppier it's gonna be. So this still shows me the back of the car pretty good, so we're gonna have to find out where we like it. And you probably can't see that at all. Yeah, so I think that's a little better. Shows me the rear of the car. I wish the taillights work good. That would be really cool. We could put it down even flatter. I think maybe on the trunk would be the best. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll mess with it. I'd like to have it on the glass if at all possible. But maybe putting one leg on the trunk might allow us to be further back without being as long. But then I wouldn't be able to open the trunk, which is fine. But anyway, I think I'm gonna just take it like this and we'll see how it goes. I know I've been bad with Accord content, but I hope this makes up for it. Try to get some videos in here soon of the Accord. Like I said, big plans in my life coming up, but we gotta make some time to show you guys what's going on with the Accord, because man, even if I'm not doing anything to it, me enjoying it, you guys should enjoy it too. So I'm gonna try to be better, I promise. It does look really good, guys. I'm so pumped. A lot of people at the show really liked it, so I'm really happy. This car has been a learning experience for me, you know? This is what my stepping stone. And it's not to say that I don't love Hondas or want to build more Hondas, but you know, I love all cars, and this was a huge learning curve for me, learning this turbo setup and how to do it on this car, and then doing it on the Avalanche was, you know, a little bit further for me, and now this Corvette is just, it's another iteration of my life, and it's just, this is the phases that I go through. But I need to show you guys at least me enjoying this thing, and you know, just show it off, because it is cool and I do enjoy it. So I will take you guys for a cruise. Hopefully we get some good footage here. I don't know what the audio is going to be like. I may try to figure that out right now. So it didn't go so well. I don't think I have this tight enough. This is like falling so easily. Alright, let's try to crank this guy down some more. I don't want to break it, but I also don't want it to fall. So I'm gonna see what we can do here to make this a little better. It seems to be more stable, gone over more bumps, and it's doing pretty good. Can't really see the camera, but I can see the base. Well, can't really see anything when I got the camera there, but I can see it in the rear view. So I'm just gonna shut up, do a little driving, and hopefully the audio is not terrible, because I'm not sure how this will do. But yeah. So I just had to fix it again. I tightened it even more. I'm really hoping I'm not hurting it, you know, by tightening it so much, but it is what it is. We're gonna see if it works. I think I need to add a stiffener or something that I can put on the trunk. So we're gonna have to look into that. just laid into it a little bit, and I came up on this guy maybe a little too fast. It looked like he was gonna soar off the road. I think I scared him. I was just coasting, but I should have maybe hit the brakes sooner, but I was just, you know, I was just rolling out. But yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying the footage. It seems like the camera's staying in place now for this last clip. So, I'm happy about that. You can see it up there. It's doing good over there. So hopefully, I know the wind noise is going to be pretty bad, so I'm going to have to put some kind of dead cat on it, and I'll work on that for the next video. So my bad. I'm sorry the audio's bad. I'm just saying that because I know it's going to be bad. If it's not, I'll be pleasantly surprised. But yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying. I think it's pretty sweet. I think it'll be really cool for like rolling up to car shows and stuff, and you know, it's definitely an attention grabber, as if the car wasn't already, but that's okay. It's fun. So yeah. Anyway, enjoy. So I think I finally got it. I shortened it quite a bit. We'll see how the footage comes out. I gotta see where it ends up being. I think I'm just gonna take the camera off. I'll leave this whole assembly on there for now. They say, I think he said somewhere near a foot behind your bumper, so I don't think we're quite there. I think if we were a little out further and maybe a little bit lower, I'd kind of just put it here, because the lower you put it, the more likely it is to fall. But it seems like it's working here. So I might bend it down a little bit for the next time we go out, but for now, we'll try it. So I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna try to review this footage and see how it came out. Hopefully there's some good driving clips in there for you guys. And next time, like I said, we'll do something about that wind noise, because I'm sure it was bad. But hopefully you guys heard something, at least on the takeoffs. Hopefully you heard something. And yeah, she's running good. It's got a little lean spot in the tune, so maybe tuning video coming up. I'll show you guys how to fix a little lean spot in your tune if that's what you're doing. It's always something. I think it's just because it's so hot out. The temperatures vary, and my calculations for temperatures are probably off. And being that it's so hot out, I mean the IATs are probably like super hot, so you know, just got to keep that in mind. Varies with the weather. That's stuff that a tuner would probably do a better job of, but you know, whatever. Hasn't blown up yet. I've hitting like 12.5s in like full boost. I mean, yeah, it's like third gear, but still, I feel like, I don't know. Maybe it's second gear. I don't know. The lower gears you are, it's not as bad to go lean. It's when you're under a lot of load and you go lean, that's when you're gonna have a big problem. But you know, 12.5 is kind of lean for being a boost. But this motor loves it, honestly. I have not melted a piston yet, so I don't know. I can't complain. Knock on wood. But when it does happen, I'll be rebuilding it. A lot of you guys commented on what I'm gonna do. I don't know yet, but I do know that I got a box to open. A fan sent me a bunch of parts, and there's some stuff in there that's probably what I'm gonna do. And I got some ideas, but yeah, we're just seeing what's next here. I got a lot of stuff going on, and I will try to make more Accord videos. So thank you all for sticking with me. I know it's you know, not been easy. I make a lot of videos on other stuff, and you guys are really interested in the Accord, but it is it's not easy managing everything. You know, it's a lot of stuff to do, and I'm only one person, but I will try. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.